Push him around.
Okay. What are you looking at?
Kind of gives a new meaning to walking the dog, doesn't it? Simba?
Okay, you want to go to the playground?
Got the dog in the stroller.
We are at the playground. Come here, Perfect. Oh.
Signed Daniel Ernest Tanner and Joseph Alvin Gladstone.
Hi, Simba.
Haley, Haley, I need to take your phone. Okay. So I can charge it. So you can play your song. Oh yeah, I can play Jack the Beaver on my phone. It's going to be a charge. Oh yeah. We're just sitting there waiting for me.
He's ready to go for a roll.
Okay.
Oh, watch out.
That's just wrong. He's not going to want to play with you no more. Yeah, there he goes. He's out of there.
You gotta fix the stroller, sissy.
Simba!
I'll go that way. Hi, baby.
He's our little Shih Tzu.
This kid doing that.
There she goes. She's going to put him in the stroller, take him for a roll. I've heard of walking the dog, but never rolling the dog. Ah, you got to love the kid's brain. That is just the funniest thing I've ever seen. He doesn't even fight to get away. He just kicks it.
I just have to plug it in. You'll be charging on it.
You got your baby all strapped in?
Go. Is you ready for go to a what?
Mama, turn the light on.
This is to prove that Danny T, Joey G, and Jesse K are official Soul Brothers pals.
No, zoom. Zoom.
You guys don't do this. I mean, this is your thing. No, it's our thing.
Simba. Hi, buddy.
Is he just ready to go a walk?
He's just chilling.
Is he ready to go for a walk,
Watch
Dada?
out, move back. I can have the light. Hey, Simba. I say, old boy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, set. Here we go. Hey.
And what are you doing over there, Joshua? Ah, he's playing on his laptop. Joshua's got a little Google Chrome.
Hey.
What are you watching? Joshua, what are you watching over there? Ah, Netflix. I see how you're doing it.
Hey, Simba. Look at these weird little monsters. Look at these weird monsters. Simba's here, Dada.
That is weird.
Look at these weird monsters.
Huh.
Hey, let him see me and Simba.
Okay.
Hey. Is you ready to go for
Don't
a
sit
walk?
on the dog. Get up.
And then I will let you run. Okay, we're at the park. Hey, Baba. Why don't you sit in here, Baba? Sit. What, the buckle you?